Are your indoor plants struggling to thrive? You're not alone, and it's frustrating when your greenery just won't grow. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Gooing Top LED Grow Light. Let's kick things off with the Gooing Top LED Grow Light, priced at just $19.47. Right off the bat, the full spectrum of 6000K caught my eye, mimicking bright noon sunlight, which is crucial for indoor plants. If you want a reliable source of light for your small houseplants, this is worth a serious look. The 10 red and 74 white LEDs create a light that's soft on the eyes, perfect for reading too. But the magic is in its timer function. You can set it to turn on for 4, 8, or 12 hours, which means no more worrying about whether you remembered to turn it on. Plus, with a power draw of just 10 watts, your electricity bill will barely notice it, which means you can keep your plants happy without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about the clamp being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful about where you're attaching it, it holds up pretty well, especially for small pots. This is perfect for you if you have limited space and want a low-cost solution for your houseplants. Skip this if you have larger plants that need more intense light. At this price point, it's a great gift for plant lovers. Now, if that clamp concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, the Leotard Grow Light, with a price tag of $20.39. This model features 80 high-efficiency LED lamps that offer a full spectrum of light. Honestly, it's like having a mini sun in your home. And if you're serious about growing healthy plants, this is a solid contender. The combination of 32 red, 12 blue, and 36 full-spectrum LEDs covers a range of 380 nanometers to 800 nanometers, simulating natural sunlight perfectly. This means your plants can thrive from seedlings to full growth without any sunlight. I love that it has 10 dimmable levels and 3 lighting modes, so you can tailor the light to meet your plant's diverse needs. However, a few users found the timer function a bit tricky, especially if there's a power outage. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it runs like a charm, and the flexibility of the ghost necks makes positioning a breeze. This is perfect for you if you have multiple plants at different growth stages and want to keep them all flourishing. Skip it if you prefer a more straightforward, non-adjustable setup. For what you're getting, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an easy install.
Product number 3, the Brignite LED Grow Light Bulb. This is a steal for those who want a simple solution. I was genuinely surprised by how effective these A19 bulbs are with their full spectrum of natural light, perfect for veggies like tomatoes and cucumbers. These bulbs emit 1,000 lumens while only consuming 11 watts, which is a whopping 90% energy saving compared to traditional bulbs. With a light output that mimics the sun, it's a great way to give your plants that extra boost without running up your electricity bill. Now, some reviews mention that the bulbs can heat up more than expected, but here's the thing. As long as you don't cram them into a tight space, they work just fine and keep your plants happy and healthy. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, plug-and-play option for your existing fixtures. Skip this if you're looking for something with adjustable settings. At this price, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you're after something that provides more coverage for multiple plants, let's move on to our next option. Product number 4, Aocrine Plant Grow Light. The Aocrine Plant Grow Light, priced at $27.99. This one caught my attention with its unique halo design and adjustable height. If you want something that not only provides light but also looks aesthetically pleasing, this is worth considering. With 48 LEDs and 3 lighting modes, you have plenty of options for customization. It even has a timer with 3 settings, so your plants get consistent care even when you're not around. The adjustable height feature means you can cater to different plants' needs, ensuring they all get the light they deserve. However, a few users found that the stand could be a bit wobbly. Here's my take. If you securely press it down into the soil of a larger plant pot, it holds its ground pretty well. This is perfect for you if you love to showcase your plants without compromising on style.
Skip this if you want something that's more compact and straightforward. For the quality and design, it's a solid buy. Now let's transition to our last option, which is a great pick if you want a comprehensive setup. Product number 5, Barina T5 Grow Lights, a 4-pack available for $27.83. Honestly, I think this is one of the best ways to light up an entire row of plants in a compact setup. If you're on a mission to grow multiple seedlings or vegetables, these lights are worth your attention. The 5000K full spectrum light is designed to replace sunlight, and at only 20 watts, it's incredibly efficient. Each fixture comes with its own switch, allowing you to control exactly how much light your plants are getting. This flexibility is a game changer for indoor gardening. Some users did mention that installation was a bit tricky, but here's the thing. With the included clips and double-sided tape, it's manageable, and once you get them set up, they work beautifully and efficiently. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive and flexible lighting solution for a larger indoor garden. Skip this if you only have a couple of plants. For the amount you get, it's an excellent value for serious plant enthusiasts. So, to recap, we've covered the Gooing Top LED grow light, the Leotard grow light, the Brynite LED grow light bulb, the Algrian plant grow light, and the Barina T5 grow lights. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Leotard grow light because of its versatility for all growth stages. Avoid the Brynite if you're looking for something more adjustable, as it's best for straightforward setups.